Have you ever experienced this problem where you're receiving countless of tasks in Slack and you manually have to input them into another database? This problem can actually be solved by using this automation. Check this out. So let's say a team member of mine just says, hey, please can you record awesome content? That'll be sent, which is fine. And then for me to actually acknowledge this, I can just react. And I'll just put a thumbs up. And look at what happens. That actual task will then be added here into a database automatically in Notion. So it is added in Notion, hey, please can you record awesome content? And this is such an amazing way to actually streamline the way that you actually handle tasks that are within Slack and then sending them into a Notion database. Hi, my name is Peter and I'm part of Connex Digital. We are an automation agency that helps businesses as well as organizations streamline their entire operations and workflows. If you're interested in working with us, please ensure that you book a free call with us. And if you want to speak to one of our consultants, please ensure that you also visit our website or check the link down below in the description. Without further ado, let me show you guys how I built this amazing automation. Okay, so first things first, I actually used make.com to achieve this, and I basically just used 3 modules. I used a watch new events module, then I used a get a public channel message module, and then I also used a Notion create a database item module. And this is actually very simple because this module over here, it's watching for a trigger. Specifically, the trigger is when a new reaction is made in Slack, and then once it gets the trigger, which is the reaction, then from there it's going to get the message that was actually sent with that reaction and that acknowledgement. And then from there what's going to happen is that I'm going to then create a new database item within Notion. So that's where the actual item and task is actually going to be sent. It's going to be sent into Notion, and that is actually what you saw. So this is just such an amazing automation and workflow that you can use in order to just streamline your communications and to streamline the way that you actually handle tasks. It's just, you'll be more productive, you'll be more efficient, and I really believe that it's such a game changer. If you're interested in us actually building this for you, please make sure that you reach out to us. You can check all the information down below in the description of this video, and you can also visit our website at Connex Digital. We'll be more than happy to work with you. So that's it from me. Please make sure that you like, you share, you also subscribe to our channel so that we can actually give you more valuable content. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.